Losses steepening in the last hour of trading. NASDAQ leading the way lower today. My next guest is still bullish on that sector. With earnings set to kick off later this week, let's bring in Plexo Capital's Toney. It's good to see you. Welcome back.
Thanks for having me. It's always a pleasure.
Yeah, it's tough. It's tough right now in tech, certainly today, obviously, with NASDAQ. But do you think earnings are going to deliver when we start to get going in this space?
Yeah, look, I think, there's probably two letters everyone's looking for twice. AI, both for artificial intelligence, and hopefully that's going to lead to additional income.
Well, I thought the letters you were going to talk about is Nvidia. We're hoping we're going to save the day, NVDA. Do our hopes hinge on that?
I'm spending a little bit more time thinking about some of the other big tech players like Microsoft to see how integrating AI is going to deliver for products like 365. I'm interested in Alphabet. I think Alphabet needs to show what's going to happen with Gemini, how that's going to lead to integration across some of the other product lines and the potential drivers for revenue on the advertising business. I think for Amazon, we're very interested in diving deeper into the partnership with Anthropic, which is a Plexo Capital portfolio company, and seeing if those synergies can really work to add additional revenue to the bottom line for Amazon. And then finally, Meta. Meta is making a big investment into AI. When you look at that unit that houses both the metaverse and AI, who knows? They don't break out the numbers, but we suspect over $3 billion will be invested this year across both. And, Meta changed their name to Meta to represent the metaverse with this big investment in AI. Maybe they'll change their name to Artie.
What a sign of the times. I mean, Toney goes through the list of the mega caps that matter most, and he ticks everything off, and there's no Apple. That says everything.
Yeah, I think for Apple, what we really need to see is, go back to what we talked about with big tech. Big tech's been talking about integration of new technologies specific to AI for the past year or so. Now we're starting to actually see those results in the earnings statements, in the income, and on a big topic of focus and emphasis on the earnings calls, because people want to see, is big tech delivering what they promised months ago? Apple has been a little less at the forefront, which is typical for Apple. Apple typically takes a little more measured approach. And so I think what we'll look for from Apple are some signals around how they're going to integrate AI. Who knows? Some of the analysts are saying the potential integration of AI into some of the next generations of iPhones, could that lead to another reset like a 5G reset? We're not sure, but I think that's what we'll look for from Apple, is giving us that indication of things that we should look for to be on their development path.
Are you comfortable with where multiples are right now, even if, rates are going to back up a little bit?
Yeah, I think we got a little bit ahead of ourselves in anticipation of where rates were going to fall to this year. Obviously, with some of the numbers that we've seen around inflation and the signaling, we probably won't see those. It was more of a matter of, kind of when rates were going to drop. I think now it's a question of if rates are going to drop. And given the geopolitical tension as well, I think the earnings really are going to have to come through for big tech to prove that they can remain resilient with all of the headwinds we might face at the back end of this year.